bacioci come cuore innamorato. Questo è l'alfabeto dell'amore.
Hey everybody, welcome to Thirsty Thursday. I'm Jamie and this is Ross.
And today on Thirsty Thursday we have a special guest, mixologist. This is my sister Laurie and Jamie's aunt. What have we got? Oh, Laurie's here all the way from Whitehorse, by the way, where it's hot, but maybe not as hot as it is here. So today we're doing a drink that goes great in hot weather.
It's great for a nice summer day, for sure.
Okay, what have we got?
We are making a red wine sangria today.
Okay, cool.
So I think we'll start by we have a bowl of fruit.
Okay.
Mixed fruit.
Put it all in? Yes?
Yes,
Okay,
all of it in.
dump it all
Yeah.
in.
Oranges and blueberries.
And you can mix it up, you can use whatever fruit you want, but
Got some
Okay,
lemon in
relax.
this
there.
is what we've got today.
Okay, sounds good.
And we're using red wine?
Yep, the whole bottle. Yeah.
Does it matter what kind of wine you use?
Not really.
As long as this is an apothic red, and it looks like it'll fill it up about half full, I'm guessing. What else do we put in here besides red wine?
We are going to be adding about 1 cup. Okay, let's add about a quarter to a half a cup of brandy.
Okay,
Eyeball it.
that's a good
Yeah,
cup.
that's a good
Perfect.
quarter cup.
And then orange juice next?
About 1 cup of orange juice.
Okay.
Cup of orange juice. Go.
And then we're gonna top it up with some club soda to just lighten it up. Is that
Yes.
right? Okay. And we can make this a white wine sangria too, I'm guessing, right?
Sure, yeah.
All right. You use orange juice and club soda in a white wine sangria as well? Or does it
I
matter?
think you could.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
About the equivalent of a can, so
Okay.
just gives it a little bit of lightness.
So if you weren't gonna drink this whole thing right away,
Which we will.
you would save the club soda and put it on
Yeah.
in the glass.
That's
Got it.
Okay, so you can put this in the fridge and add the club soda later.
Yeah,
Okay.
add it to your glass.
So I've stirred that up. Ross,
Okay.
you wanna?
Want me to pour?
You pour.
What else were you gonna say?
What you
there,
could do is you can use the ladle and you could put a little bit of fruit in each glass.
Mike?
There you go.
Oh, Jamie, he'll do that. in a minute.
Sure. Well.
Just wait over here. Pop those up.
Okay.
And Jamie will get a little fruit, which I guess would be the garnish too.
Or you can leave the fruit
good.
to the end, and it's really delicious then when it's absorbed all of the alcohol.
Okay. And if it gets in there a long time, you could use it like jam on toast after a while.
Sure.
Okay.
Yes, you could. Yeah.
Okay.
The blueberries have all fallen to the bottom. All through.
I like a blueberry too, please. Well, just one is good.
There you go. One
I
blueberry.
want to push it over the top. Okay.
There you go.
The red wine sangria. Let's have a taste here.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
Oh,
That's so refreshing.
suddenly refreshed.
That's good.
There you have it.
Cheers.